went down, down, down there to the trenches, where I lost my eye. Never noticed, but the stench was a whole damn lot like mine.
Welcome back to this exciting video. My name is Christinah of permaculture gardeners. Thank you for joining this amazing channel. I'm on the road to self-sufficiency. Join, come and garden with me. Let me know, have you started your backyard gardening? Let me know in the comment section. Or are you planning to start one in a container and the rest shall follow? There is a lot happening in the background. Gardening is amazing. I'll be growing today tomatoes, eggplants, carrots, and many more into my raised beds. And also I'll be growing with their companion plants to deteriorate the pests. So I love doing things organic. So I believe in dirty hands in my soil, and I love using organic materials and recycling into my garden. There's a lot happening this year because I've never grown like this before. So I'm enjoying this exciting journey. I hope you too, you will love this amazing journey. So let's start growing. To my usual subscribers, I really thank you very much. You mean the world to me. I'm nothing without you. If you are new here, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and comment for more amazing videos. There is something that you'll love about this gardening journey. You plant a seed, it germinates and gives you a fresh produce to the kitchen. How is it and exciting to eat from your own garden? It's very interesting just to cook what you have planted, what you have nurtured. It's a quite exciting journey. I know gardening needs a lot of patience and it will really teach you how to be patient, because it's not always good, not always bad, or it's either from your trials, scorching of the sun or heat wave, and your plants are dead, and also too much water or rainfalls. You'll pick something and pull up and do your best. I've learned so much. Let me not talk too much so that I dry it to use for a longer period of time, because I love seasoning or cooking with my dill. It's quite exciting. And also I'll be growing more and more canning. This year I want to can for a specific period of months, so that my family can feed from that. If it really works next year, definitely I'll go for it. I'll add more and more and more Thank you. Let's grow.
What I tried to tell you, I never got to say. Guess that's how love is. That's how it is today.
Being self-sufficient doesn't require bigger space or bigger acres. Just start in a small space. Grow what you love the most. Can preserve to reduce the cost of buying, because everything nowadays is expensive. I've started learning how to bake and also support local farmers there and there. Wherever I can, buy what I don't have. Build a full storage. You will keep your produce after harvest. Buy 1 or 2 chickens. They will multiply as time goes on and have more. Buy goats, any livestock of your choice. To start is a good way to self-sufficient. Add herbs to your garden. They will make their own seeds as the perennial plants. They'll come year after year and produce more seeds. Wait for them to dry and package them and grow whenever you want, and also they'll multiply and give you enough of what you want. One of the things that I have realized is that herbs are very expensive nowadays in shops. So I decided to grow more so that I use fresh and dried herbs for a certain specific period of time without buying. If I have abundance of tomatoes, I'll preserve by freezing, drying, and also pickling them in bottles and making paste to use for months. The other thing is to know your garden, know where the sun sets, and also be there by engaging into your garden. Observe and interact with your garden. You might be able to know which part or area of the garden is your certain types of vegetables or plants thrive well or do better. When you really know your garden better, you'll be able to shift your plant if it's not performing well. Let's say it's from you planted a shade plant in a sunny spot, you'll see it squashing around, so you'll have to shift it to its exact space, to the sun spot, to the shade spot.
It's been a long week, singing with a sore throat, can't hit the right notes. And when I sleep is when I should be working, but I close the curtains. I've been going too hard, driving too far, losing track of time. When I'm awake is when I should be sleeping. What's a weekend? My to-dos are never done, 'cause I keep sitting on my thumbs. Most days I feel like a mess, I'm not even trying my best. My energy comes in waves like a boat on the ocean.
The other thing to do is to cache DIY rainwater. It's easily to store in containers, buckets, or tanks to support your irrigation system, so that you can use this water throughout whenever there's shortage of water. And also by decomposting your kitchen scraps and other organic matter is very useful to the garden, as it builds the soil, and also making organic fertilizers is the best way as you are doing DIYs to your garden, so that you do not use harm chemical to your garden.
Ocean, I'm shipwrecked for days. Somebody save me. How do you spell SOS? I've got a full plate, it just keeps coming, but I already ate. I think I hit my limit, and I'm not sure how much more I can take. My to-dos are never done, 'cause I keep sitting on my thumbs. Most days I feel like a mess. I'm not even trying my best. I guess I should exercise, but I don't even go outside. Most days I feel like a mess. I'm not even trying my best. I miss my deadlines again. I never text my best friend. I don't know what's in my fridge. How am I gonna live? I watch TV for hours. I fall asleep in the shower. I run on empty for days. What do you want me to say? My to-dos are never done, 'cause I keep sitting on my thumbs. Most days I feel like a mess. I'm not even trying my best. I'm not sure my job is real. I don't know how that makes me feel. Every day seems like a test. I'm not even trying my best. I'm not even trying my best. I'm not even trying my best.
Show me what you want to see, so maybe I can change. Maybe I can change. Tell me what you want to hear, so maybe I can say the words you need to make you stay. And I know it feels like heaven. It's way too high above for me to reach you now. And I know it's painful.
Thank you very much for watching. If you have found yourself this far, I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and wait for the next upload. Good night.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look